What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys today. I have no idea what's in this box as usual. It is likely from the pass-around group, which means whatever's in this box was provided by the manufacturer. So, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into it here. Yeah, that's pretty much the only cut I ever really need to make. It's the only cut I ever really make. Anyways, whether or not I need to is an entirely different story. But where are we at? What do we got in here? Stuff that I need to pull out on camera or not? Yeah, okay, it's just newspaper. And who did this come from? Oh, Blade Centered. All right, another sticker to add on there. The rubber band went flying off in some random direction. Cool sticker. I need to get some stickers. I need to. Come on, let's get this where the light's not messing with it. All right, what do we have here? A Civivi knife. Guarantee I'm not going to... Wait a minute. I'm going to actually get the name right on this guy. Is this the Wyvern? Oh, that's cool. Very cool. Of course, forward choil, like that, like the thumb ramp. Definitely like the finish on the blade. That's really nice. Look at those grind lines there. Not sure what to think about the fish scale pattern on the handle. It certainly does have traction. And this is kind of mushed peas. That's what it makes me think of altogether. Detent is definitely snappy. Kind of a nice medium detent. How about that little deal in there? Yeah, I can get my finger in there and do the reverse flick. How about the... it's a different motion. Yeah, I can kind of do it. Now, I mean, it's certainly not graceful. It's not anything that's going to look super cool on camera, but it's sort of a, you know, out here. I don't know why I needed to make the sound effect while I was flipping the knife, but anyways, that's cool. That'll be a fun one. And actually, that creates another opportunity for a versus video for me. But that is going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And if you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So take a look at that stuff. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there is definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.